Kumagat! Yeah! Real! Pare, may isda ka pa sa kamay! Paguri mo! Medyo! Picture mo! Yeah! So, hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. Say hi!
Hello!
So, we're gonna go fishing for today. Saan tayo punta, boy?
Sa
Gimli?
Yeah.
Say hi, Andre! Hey! Okay guys, ngayon lang namin na-realize na wala kaming fishing rod. What? Hindi, joke lang. Wala kaming ano? Tawag doon pa? Pagkain.
Wala tayong bait.
Wala kaming bait, wala kaming food. But I brought my butane gas. So, ayun. Makakapabili pa rin naman pagkain.
Dapat yung ano, totoong isda. Hey, fishing, we got it today.
100! Way fishers! So, we figured out our fishing rods. Ay, muna po kayo sa vlog. Mag-vlog po kami. Hi, vlog! So, ayun na boy, kuha na natin ang ating mga gamit.
Tapos na ho kami sa Walmart.
Charge na ako ng aking JBL para meron tayong sound trip.
Yun!
Ngayon, kami lang po yung mag-fishing na wala kami.
Okay, tuloy.
Kami lang ang mag-fishing na walang camping chair.
Yeah!
Nice.
Ano bang ginagawa ng mga magagaling na fisher? Nangihiram.
Yeah!
What?
Tumutunog ang mga gamit natin sa likod.
When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
So guys, so finally we're here. We're gonna buy a bait.
Being salted.
Kakainin natin na.
Tanong natin paano bibili ito. Tanong mo natin paano bibili ang fishing license sa kanila.
I wanna overload you.
The computer will only let me do one at a time.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. He's so beautiful. Let's get it.
Oh!
Stop. Oh, this is cool.
Hello. Fishing lessons. We just got it. And I'll change my outfit because it's getting kind of cold. Pakita mo food mo, pre. Napakalaki.
Ako mamalupag.
Food.
I got a fat boy.
I got a double cheeseburger. I love burgers. Oh, we just finished eating. Hey.
Hello. This is what's it called?
It's fresh.
Shakespeare, you know what I'm saying?
Come on, let's go. You want to come with us? Okay. You can.
Yeah.
Gimli Resort, Lakeview! Oh, hey! So guys, finally we're here sa place kung saan kami mag-fishing. Ito, daddy ko na sima dati. Dito sa Daliri. Gunting. Ay! Yung mga Swiss knife na iwan din! Kahit nagalimot mo malamang. Karawan na, third ba't dalawa yung ano ko? Best, ba't dalawa yung sima ko? Dalawa naman talaga. Uy! Eh, layo!
Yun, pwede na.
Nice!
Oo. Eh, oh! Yo!
Sorry!
You gotta click the bottom.
So, we're still waiting for our first catch. So far, wala talaga.
So far, hindi kami magaling.
For me?
A few moments later.
Kumagat! Yeah! Real! Pare, may isda ka pa sa kamay!
Ay, pre, isda!
Oh! Paguri mo! Hey! Nice one! Mike, golden muna ka sa kanila. Sukatin mo dali, hilang ka ng measuring tape. Ilan. Sobra. Oh!
60 cm.
Oh!
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. What? They not like us. They not like us. When I rap or talk about guns, then somebody died.
What the fuck is that?
Somebody had told me that you gotta rate the
Oh! It's Salavig, bro! Yo! It's Salavig! I can take it over, yes!
Hey, go.
Take a nigga bring back.
Oh, take a picture of both of us.
Hey! Gusto ko na record. Kawawa naman siya pero, you know, it's part of life, bro. Kawawa yung ano niya, pingas niya. Another one for Andre!
Another one on my record.
Guys, mission accomplished kami.
Nandito ba yung ano natin? License
Lahat
natin?
kami nakahuli. Nasa akin. Lahat kami nakahuli!
Yeah, look at my feet!
Yeah! Guys, that's it for today.
That is it.
Lahat tayo nakakuha. So, it's not bad. It's fun.
Hey,
No, we
plenty
just
of
tired.
fishes in the sea, but I let mine go.
Ano bang gusto mong sabihin, Aaron?
Goodbye.